سبيدي حليموين كقرني كور
صاحبه ودان كاي ورما horta xalimooyinka qarnigan joogo laba nooc ay u kala baxaan. There are two types of halimos. Halimo indooron iyo halimo naftooron. Halimo indooron, she's beautiful with a lot of money and she can't even cook a maraq. Halimo naftooron, not so beautiful. She's xuh, but she cooks, she cleans, and she does everything for you. Basically, she takes care of you. If you choose قروح ليدا, your everyday menu will look like this. McMuffin for قراء, Firdaus from Mandek restaurant for qado, McChicken for asho, and guess what? A few years later, you will suffer from something called MDES, McDonald Effective Syndrome. Hadan idin fasirana, you will look like ba'ala fufa. If you choose Halim Naftooron, qofta cabsida, you will have everything you need, you have a good life, but you might not have that look that you want to see around you. So I would like to know which one you guys want to choose. Please let me know. This is Speedy, one of my chabbers. You can check more of my chabber on my YouTube channel, Umar Speedy Chabur, or you can go to Facebook, check it out over there, Umar Speedy /Chabur/Elaqasal. Thank you guys. Again, I would like to add, this is just for fun, reality and especially one love. Thank you guys.